Hey, we're the Friendly Guys group. Okay, today we're going to be doing the density graph using the analytical balance. As you can see, sometimes the balance becomes off. You know, it doesn't start at zero basically. You know, many things can cause this, such as the very sensitive balances. You know, people leaning on the table, airflow, or just things like off. So as you tear it, just push this button right here to make sure that it's tearing them again at zero. So to weigh this 150 milliliter beaker by itself, you gently open up the window, place it inside, and close it, and wait for it to stabilize. And as you can see, the mass is 68.040 grams. So that's just the weight of. So now we're going to find the mass of the beaker along with a small sample of the solution. Once again, you note that you add the solution to the beaker away from the balance, not while it's still in. Just once again, carefully place it inside, gently close the window, and the mass of the solution with the beaker is 105.428 grams. As you can see, the weight on the analytical balance constantly changes, and this uncertainty of balance is due to many things, such as the airflow, or people leaning on the desk, or many other things. It's very significant when you're doing things on the balance. You always, you know, as this shows right here, you can make tables or just make sure everything is clearly labeled to show that, you know, the mass, the volume, and the density as we did here. But it's also very important to keep all your information organized, and as you can see, significant figures play a very important role in this. Also, when doing any experiment, it's very important to use the same balance throughout the entire experiment, because if you use different balances, someone may be more sensitive, less sensitive, and they can cause you know, differences in your information that could throw your information off and make it significantly incorrect.
Specific amount of water I want, which is like 20, I believe. This is bottom cap that faces the close. Door. What's this back here? Data, the 8.142, and that's now.